I'm Manu Cornu, I'm from Paris, and today I'm to block out in Lys, and I climb in this boulder with a lot of Crimps. Boulder! So close! When you have the little pinch on the volume, you take a very little crimp, and when you are here, your position is very strange and the move is far away. So if you take the long crimp more on the right, and it's okay. Oh, I don't know. I go more on the right. I think it's too in head because I take those just here. Next. Gigi, when he said that, he saying, yeah, jump and jump again, but I think it's not for me. So I try another better. It's possible, but here I fall because I take a hook, two hooks. Yeah, it's that. If I find the sensation, maybe. Yes.
Come on.
The three last roper, they don't have friction, so...
Yeah, Gigi said that yesterday. He's like, we're going to take these really terrible slopers and make it really hard.
Just the same. The sloper is really shit. So I climb maybe in this boulder now. So if Gigi climbs this boulder, I can climb this boulder. No, I've tried 2 times and I fall with the sloper and the pinch. So.
Yes, come on.
So one more.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it one more go. You wanna climb something else? But
No, after I
you have to go.
But tomorrow, if you want. With Sophia.
Come on, dude.
But I have take a white hole to the top. Oh no, and fuck. So okay, today it's a very great session with a lot of problem setting by Gigi with crimp, pinch, coordination, like my training every day. So okay, so tomorrow we go in the other gym to Sergi. It's like Paris every and we go here. So yeah, tomorrow we climb in this boulder gym. It's block out too with Sofia Yokoyama for climb, and so yeah, that's all. So see you tomorrow.
Perfect.